I just averaged $78 per day this last month, and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how I did it using the Amazon Influencer Program. I'm going to be breaking down my full month of June. We're going to be going into my earnings, how many videos I uploaded, how I reinvested my money, and then we're going to finish off with some tips on how to scale the program. So without wasting any more time, let's head over to my screen and see exactly how much we made in the month of June. So here I have my full year breakdown. Now, I want to consider this my second full month in the program because, as you'll see over here, I've only made 20 videos in the month of February and the month of March, so those two really don't count, and that actually shows up here. So this is what we made in the month of March, $98. February is when I got accepted, but I didn't really do anything, as you can see by the 7 shipped items. So month of March, $98.33. We then go into April, $199.20. Then we go last month, $697.55. And you can just see the difference in magnitude from May to June. So it's about to get crazy. Now, I'm going to break this down week by week so that you guys can see exactly what happened throughout. But this is a quick overview of my entire graph, and this is going to be now the breakdown. So here we go with week 1. In week 1, we started off absolutely hot. So this was a really awesome thing, because if you guys watched my May breakdown, you would see that we actually were hitting $70 days those last 3 days of May. So we knew that coming into June, we were expecting something huge. And I remember talking about how if we even got remotely close to $900, which was my May goal, that I would be actually kind of upset because of those last 3 $70 a day. We knew that we were going to get something crazy moving forward. So yes, we ended up crushing the $900 goal, and you guys will see exactly what happened. So $133 following the first 3 $70 days from May. Now that's pretty good. So this was absolutely crazy, and this was actually my highest amount earned for pretty much the majority of June, and you'll see what happens there at the end. So it gets crazy. But second day of June, $68.42, not bad. $78.30. Then we go to $57, $106, so another $100 day. That's actually really awesome. Back-to-back $100 days, or back-to-back $100 in the same week. That's really cool. And so another $73 and then another $67. So that first week it got pretty crazy. $583.99 for the first week of June. I will take that all day. So pretty awesome. Now this second week, it started getting a little bit shaky. I was like, no, this thing's gonna go back down. So I got kind of scared here, but $35 on that 8th of June. We go into $45 for the month, or the 9th of June. 10th of June is $46, and then this is our lowest day of June, unfortunately. Man, $17 after hitting $100 days the last week. That was kind of devastating, but we keep moving forward, we keep uploading, we keep grinding, and yeah. Man, I can't wait till we talk about the videos, because we uploaded so many videos this month. It's crazy. But $76, so right after the $17 day, we go right back up to $76, which a lot of you guys know, this is just a roller coaster that is the Amazon Influencer Program. You can have a very terrible day like $17, and then the next day you're back up, and it can be vice versa as well. So following that, we go to $44, and then we go to $66 to finish off that second week. So $332 for week 2. Not bad, right? So compared to week 1, which was $583. But even then, we keep moving forward. We're already up at over $800, so really awesome. Now this third week, it gets really crazy once again. So we're at $66, $124. So man, this thing is crazy. $85 moving to the next day. June 17th is our lowest day of this week, $45, $79 the next day, $98, so just right below the $100 mark. We could have gotten $300 days in one week there. So $131 for the next day, and then $69 for June 21st. This was actually a really good week. $702 earned there. That is really awesome. This was actually our highest earned week for the month of June. But even then, you guys will see it gets really crazy there at the end. And I'm excited to talk about the investment part of it, because that's exactly what played a huge role in all these earnings and the huge difference from the month of May. So we'll go over that a little bit later. But here, June 21st, this is now the 4th week of June. So I actually added the next 2 days, because the last week it was just going to be a little bit confusing. It wasn't showing my actual results. This program, by the way, is Logi. I'll have a link in the description. It's really cool because you can import your Amazon results and it'll show you like your add to carts and stuff like that, which you don't normally get on the Amazon influencer page. So this is now including 9 days, I believe. It's missing the last day of June, but I'll go ahead and tell you guys there at the end. It's just, this is being filmed on July 1st, so it's not actually showing up. But here we go. June 21st, $69.64, $52.22 for the next day. June 22nd, June 23rd, we're back up to $70, $73. Awesome. But then we're a little right back down to $38, but that's fine because, man, these last few days gets crazy. So $102 for the 25th of June. Now we're at $85 for the 26th of June, $70 for the 27th of June, and here $119.91 for the 28th of June. So really cool. And then here we go on to June 29th, $117.62. So it got really crazy here. Now June 30th, it's not showing up, but I actually ended up hitting $133.30. So if you go ahead and take a look at my full screen, you'll see that according to this, my highest day for the whole month of June was $133.16, and we actually ended up beating that on the last day of June by 14 cents. So that's really awesome. But what's even crazier is that the last 3 days were over $100. So I'm excited to see what's going on in July. As you guys know, if you're in the program, we've got Prime Day coming up. We've got a boost in commissions coming up. So it's going to be pretty crazy, and I'm excited to share those July results with you guys when that month is over. So we're going to keep grinding, but here we go on to exactly how many I posted and all these other fun little details. So I've got a little graph here. Shout out to Canai, who initially gave us the template of this, and since then we've just been adding our own little twist to it. So here we go. Date is where we go, is where we're going to be starting, is in February. This is exactly when we got accepted. So this is the first, I think we were accepted on the 26th, I believe. So we only had about 2 or 3 days. So we had uploaded 20 videos in the month of February, and even then we didn't earn anything just because it was pretty much over. So then we moved to the month of March. We didn't really do anything once again, and then April we absolutely didn't do anything at all. As you can see, we only uploaded 3 new videos that month. So this is why I'm considering May my first full month, because as you can see by the videos added, this is where we actually started grinding. And then this month, 305 new videos, guys. This was absolutely crazy. This was so difficult, but man, it is so worth it. There was plenty of days where I was staying up to 2 a.m., having to only sleep 5 hours, get up and go to work. So it was very difficult, but man, is it worth it, as you'll see by these full results. So right now, I've got 447 videos added compared to what I was at the end of May, which is 142 videos added. So it was an absolute grind, but man, completely worth it, as you can see by the results. I don't even know what this is. 697 to 234 is what our total was. $2,344.84. Absolutely incredible. So our clicks definitely boosted up. We were at 3,635 for the month of May, and now we're at 13,779 for the month of June. So in total, we made $3,339.92. Our earnings per click, which means that this is actually dividing what our full earnings are here, and it's dividing it by the amount of clicks that we got this month. So for every click that they did on our video, we averaged about 17 cents per, which is actually not bad at all. So this is where it gets kind of interesting as well. So we're looking at the earnings per video and the earnings per day. So for every video that I upload, on average, it's about $5.25 that I'm earning from it, which is actually pretty good. So that actually makes me even more excited to continue posting. But this is where it gets crazy. So $78 per day. So this is dividing how much I earned this month, and it's dividing it by the amount of days of June, which is 30. So that averages out to $78.16. Now, here is where it gets really exciting. I love seeing this like little fun number that Canai had added. So here he's basically doing what we've earned in total for the month or per day. So he's doing what we earned per day here, $78. And if we do that for 365 days of the year, this is what we'd be making on average. So $28,528. So if you're somebody that is not looking to earn $28,000, then man, I don't know what to tell you, because this program is so easy that in just 2 months of me actually grinding, full on grinding, we're looking at another extra $28,000 in our bank account. So that's absolutely crazy. Now, when I talked about investments and things of that nature, so this is how much people are recommending to reinvest into your business, which I am considering this a business now. It's not really a side hustle for me anymore. I'm actually taking this a lot more serious, and I'm actually dedicating some good money to it. So 20% of what I've earned, which is what I did a calculation, is F8, which is, I believe here, F8 is how much we've earned in total, our gross income. $3,339.92, which is exactly how much we've made, including all months and all the months that we've been in program. So here is what we're doing. So we're doing that times 0.20, which is 20%. So we should be reinvesting $667.98 into the program now. This month, I've actually invested $660.06. So in total, I've invested $775, which is, yes, a little more than 20%, probably about 25% or a little bit less than that, but it's completely worth it, as you can see by the amount of scaling that I've done in just the last month. So not all of it is completely thanks to me. In the previous video, I had talked about how Andrew Pardine had came out with a really incredible program on how to scale this business. I'll leave a link down in the description for that so you guys can check it out, because as you can see, the numbers do not lie. A big part of that was what he talked about and the method I used for him to help me scale this. And this is why I'm so excited to see the month of July, because those last 3 days that you saw here, we're at 100, and then the one that's not showing up is another $133. So same thing that happened last month. We were at back-to-back 70s, 3 days, and you can see just how crazy this month turned out. So July is going to be crazy. I'm telling you, check out that course. It gets crazy now. The way I invested, which is one way that I'll tell you guys, is you really got to go into friends and family's homes. So even if you feel uncomfortable, man, just offer them like 50 bucks, 75 bucks, 25 bucks, offer them some dinner. And I promise you that they're going to be completely okay with it. And you are going to reap so many benefits. So for one thing that I invested $150, and I ended up getting about probably $10,000 worth of products or more that I was able to review. And that's why I'm getting $100 back-to-back days here in the last 3 days of June. So I'm telling you guys, you really got to go to people's homes. They have a bunch of things that you probably aren't thinking about. They've got the canopies, they've got the gazebos, they've got almonds, they've got a bunch of furniture that is found on Amazon. And you really need to take a look at these things, because it is so important for you to start scaling this. So if you actually want to take this side hustle to the next level, you got to do that. So this is another thing that I did here. It's my operating income. So this is basically subtracting how much I've invested minus this is how much I've made completely all year. So my gross income minus how much I've invested. So this is my operating income. This is exactly how much I've earned. Now this is all pre-tax. Well, we'll have to do some tax videos at the end of the year, exactly how much we've earned in total, but this is all pre-tax. So $2,679.86, including all the things that I've invested. So like I said, you got to invest, but even then I've already made $172 back from this amount that I've invested. So we're already scaling up. So don't worry about it. You really got to take this serious. Now, an important part of scaling is being time efficient. So we need to talk about whether or not thumbnails are important. And we do exactly that in my previous video. So if you click here, it'll take you right there. Thank you guys for 57 subscribers. I appreciate you all. And I'll see you guys in the next video.